up, guys? This video is very simple video. Today I have my sister here, my colleague, so we are in the same project. So get a little bit knowledge about forex trading, how forex actually work, deeper into it. And I want to ask me because he has seen me like trading and all that. That's what I do. So she want to ask me simple questions that maybe. So I decided to shoot this video for people that need this same question. Okay. So this my I'm gonna let's say introduce herself so that we start from there.
Hello guys, I'm Paulina and he has been my friend for a while. So today I'm going to ask him part of the trading and he has this kind of experience. So I want to ask him some few questions that as we that are coming to join or we the beginners, what you must know and what benefits you are going to get from this trading and how long have you been into this trading and what got you interested?
Okay. The first of all, what's the answer I'm gonna give is 4 years. Okay. When I was in SS2, yeah, then I started trading and all that. But even the initial this thing, the initial introduction to me wasn't actually in forex trading. It was crypto. It's been a 4 years now. It's been a 4 years now that I got it. And what actually shaped me the first time was the flexibility when it comes to it. Okay, you can go every place and do that. You get it. And for me to like, I'm sorry for those who are doing 9 to 5 job or something. I don't want that. You get it. I'm always liking like entrepreneurship, creative. You get it. So whenever when moment that I saw that wow, this thing is very flexible, you can do it anywhere, and then I have to. You get it. I have to. Do it and all that. Initially, it was very difficult actually, yeah, but as time goes on,
That's
you have.
interesting.
Oh, yeah.
But okay, and what are the types? Do you have short term or
Okay. Basically, maybe you are asking about how do I trade? Am I a day trader or something? I'm specifically day trader. Okay, I day trade every time because I like how the flexible it is. Okay, I don't need a stage whereby I will go day trade. Okay, for me that's what suits me. Day trading. That's what suits me. Yeah.
Okay, so as a beginner or when you started, what was the difficult part or the
Okay,
hardest
I think
part?
the difficult part was it's not about technical. Okay, everybody can learn about technical aspects of trading. But in terms of psychological aspects, it's different. To get it. How you gonna feel or like how you gonna the difficulty you go through in your psychological stage is gonna be different from another person. You get it? So in psychological space, like being really emotional in terms of trading and all that is also another aspect. You get it? So I face that difficult in terms of emotional when it comes to trading aspect.
Okay, when it comes to the analysis part, I want
Okay.
to know
Okay,
the
the analysis
fundamental.
parts actually I combine both. Okay. In terms of technical and then fundamental aspects of trading I combine, but I use more of technical to execute trades and exits from trade.
Okay,
You get it?
so
And I use fundamental aspects for geopolitics and I mean interest rates and all that to predict the markets. Okay,
okay,
and maybe I'm a day trader, so I look at those things in the short term form. You get it?
okay.
Yeah.
So what advice will you give to the beginners so that we are now
Okay,
great advisors?
the advice is very simple. Very consistency and hard work.
Okay,
Okay, you are consistent. You are always trading or like you on the charts, learning something new. It's gonna be key part in your journey.
Okay.
You can't be
So
just
you need to practice
you need to
always.
practice and be consistent and be hardworking at the same time. When I started, I go on actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I use full a year with grinding. You get it? Full year grinding and all that.
So thank you. I've really learned a lot
Okay.
as a beginner.
Okay.